Meatloaf just makes you feel good. It's classic comfort food. And today we're going to kick up that comfort factor by adding bacon and cheese and make it fun by making single-serving, personal-sized loaves. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. I believe that family is built at the dinner table, so here we cover recipes that anyone can do, plus cooking skills and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in, let's cook up something good. For my mini bacon and cheese meatloaves, the ingredients I'll be using are 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'm using 90%, but 85% would also work great. 1 cup or 4 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of dry breadcrumbs, 1 small onion chopped, which is about 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of chopped sweet peppers, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of beef base or 1 bouillon cube, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 6 slices of bacon. First, cover your baking pan with foil for ease of cleanup and add a metal cooling rack to allow the fat to drain. Then spray the rack with non-stick cooking spray. Heat your water for 30 seconds in the microwave and add your beef base or bouillon cube and stir to dissolve. Once it's completely dissolved, add all of the ingredients, except for the bacon, to the bowl. Mix thoroughly by hand. I've started preheating my oven to 350 degrees, and now it's time to form our mini loaves. I have the meat mixture totally combined, and I'm going to go ahead and split it into 6 more or less even portions. Now, I'm going to go ahead and scoop one out and just use my hands to form it into a little loaf. It's going to be shaped a little bit like a potato, maybe, is a good way to describe it. And just set it right down on the rack. Go to the next one, do the same thing. Continue on and complete all 6 loaves. And if you see that some look a little larger than others, you can, grab a little piece off like that if you want and add it to the other to kind of even it out. It's all good. Okay, that looks pretty good. Each mini loaf will take 1 slice of bacon cut in half. Crisscross the halves across the top of the loaf and then tuck the ends underneath. Then bake at 350 degrees for approximately 50 minutes. Here's a time-saving tip. To save for another day, wrap your loaves in plastic, put in a freezer bag, and freeze. When you're ready to cook, remove from the freezer, unwrap, and bake on a rack at 350 degrees, and then check with a meat thermometer at about an hour. They're ready to serve when they reach 160 degrees internal temperature. While your meatloaves are baking, it's a great time to make your side dishes. I'm making a steamed squash medley and baking a couple of potatoes in the microwave. These look great. They're lightly crisp on the outside, and trust me, they're juicy on the inside. Allow the loaves to rest for 2 to 3 minutes and then move them to your serving plate. Mini meatloaves are a fun twist on a classic comfort food made even better with bacon and cheese. You can even get creative and vary your ingredients a bit from loaf to loaf so that everyone gets their meal exactly the way they want it. It's just another way that family is built at your dinner table. And if you feed them, they will come.